Hey guys, and welcome back. This is actually just a last minute video because I was doing my daughter's friend's hair and I took it as a teaching moment. So I gave the phone to her. I did not have my camera. I had my daughter film the first few minutes of it, and then I found a way to prop it up so I could show you the rest. The last time she had her hair colored was actually when I did it about a year ago. Her video will be linked right here where we removed her box color, and I did a balayage on damp hair to begin that process. Now we are on the next process. I wanted her to grow her hair out a bit to get it healthy. And if you would like to see how I did this tutorial, just please stay tuned. First and foremost, I want to apologize for the lack of how well you can see it. I do get better angles. My daughter's holding the phone right now and she's not too excited about it, so I don't think she's really paying attention to what she's showing. However, to begin with, you see how I first parted it? It was not a straight across line. I did a little bit of a wiggle as I ran my rat tail comb across to take my section out. And then I did a tease. Her hair teases very, very well, so I was lucky in that aspect. Now I'm applying conditioner to the area where I want the darkness to stop and the lightness to begin. Now as I'm applying the lightener, the reason why I did it a little bit thinner is because I want it to saturate very, very well. Now you want to go by your manufacturer's instructions, obviously. I did do a 1:2 ratio, but then I did add a little bit more. You don't want to, I still measure even if I'm making it a little bit thinner, just so I know exactly, what I am measuring each time. Now you see how I sweep it up into that conditioner. This is the better angle for you, hopefully. So again, now I teased. That was just the conditioner that I applied. Now I'm applying the lightener. The thinner lightener helps it get saturated into the hair a little bit better. I do make sure that I kind of swipe back and forth also to open it up. I make it a little bit thicker up there, and then I take my brush and just kind of softly blend it up into the conditioner. What the conditioner does is help to diffuse it even more, so it will basically weaken down that lightener so it will not get as light right there, so you'll have that transition will be a lot better. So it'll go from her natural to the diluted, conditioned lightener. That's just the only way I can think to say it. And then into the more powerful lightener, and you'll have a better transition line. As I get to the crown area, I do add some fine highlights. I do a foil about every 2 foiliage pieces that I do, just to make it lighter up there. So she does not want like a dark root, but she does want it darker up there, blending into the lighter hair. So just by adding some finer weaved highlights, it'll have that transition a lot better. But after I do the weave foil, I fold that weaved foil up and then go ahead and do the foiliage with the tease and the conditioner.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you, like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose, each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season, not for long, just a time, just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason, but I'll cherish every day until you come my way this season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for changing all over again. Yeah, we will keep on changing, just like another season.
I applied the same toner from root to end. I did apply to zone 1 and 2 first to let sit for a few minutes and then bring down to zone 3. I did add clear to the formula because she did get light, but she just has very strong, warm, golden tones. No matter how light we get her, she's just one of those people, you know, you get them light, but it's like the sun has just been exposed. So I did add clear to the formula so I could let it sit there a while to help cancel those out without making her hair drabby. This was her end result. OMG, was I so in love with it. So I decided to have some fun with it, so bear with me. I just made a couple cool little videos. But you see how well it blended. It's so shiny and healthy. You have to do like the little wave slow-mo, you know. But we definitely got her light. I think she wouldn't mind eventually being a lot lighter. That it's going to take a little bit of time. I want to keep her hair healthy, and it was compromising. We actually got away with only just evening out her ends and not trimming too much off, and it looks fine. Here is the before and after. Sorry, I didn't think about doing a before shot because I didn't know I was going to be doing a video, but I should do it anyways. But I ended up kind of getting one, and then the after. But if you did watch this video and you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. I do appreciate all you guys' support and watching my videos. You guys are always so positive in your comments, and I appreciate that. It does take a lot of time and effort on my part to get these videos out there to you with filming and editing, but I so much enjoy doing it for you guys. I did not have YouTube when I first started doing hair many moons ago, and how amazing would that have been? But you guys have it, and I love educating, and this is just the way I can do it now. And thank you for supporting me. And if you'd like to see more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share with your other fellow stylists. But again, thank you for watching the video, and I will try to have as many out for you as I can. Thank you. Bye.